party people. I just lost power. I'm like, what the hell? And then I open my door up and it's freaking storming. I want my cool air to go out, but it's not that bad out here now, but what the hell, people? It is pouring down. Pouring down rain. Holy shit. What if it blew something over? Oh, looks like really bad. Listen to it. Oh, I just lost power. I don't even know what time it is. I have to look at my watch. I didn't pay attention before I started rolling because I'm like sitting there going, wait, power's not coming back on. So I thought I'd open the door up and see what's going on, and here it is. It's like raining cats and dogs, pigs and horses, and food and everything else. Oh yeah, look over there. Oh, that's some nice clouds up there, see? Oh shit. Ow, okay. Alright. Well, I can report right now. I win? I don't know. My power comes back on. But that light over there is on. It's just fun little neighborhood here. Ah, man, that sucks. Look, the lights over there on the street. I don't know, we'll see. Well, I'd be safe out there. I just had the power go out. Ooh, look. Holy crappy noise. Whoa. Wow. You hear how calm it got? Now listen to it. Crazy shit. Some crazy shit, people. Look, now it's not even hardly raining. The wind's whipping all over the place. But not real hard. Not down here, but up there maybe. Get this shit. I was like, okay. Oh, here it comes. Oh, if you stayed this long for the video. Ooh, holy shit, scared the crap out of me. Here it comes, people. Is it a hurricane or what? I'll get down. Something's out there. Holy shit, people. I'm running. What the hell? This ain't funny at all, people. I'm gonna make sure I can get in. Wow. There's a thunder boomer, I think. Oh, the wind blew something else over. Holy shit, it's like a hurricane. Whoa. What the hell, people? I hope I'm alright. We ain't heard nothing. I ain't heard no alarm. No nothing. This ain't right. I feel like I'm in Florida. Man, it smells like I'm in Florida. Holy shit, people. Part 2.